Are you looking to supercharge your Dell Latitude E6520 laptop's performance? Look no further than the crucial technology 16GB DDR3-1600 laptop RAM upgrade kit. This kit, comprising two 8GB sticks, is designed specifically for laptops and notebooks, ensuring compatibility with your system. With DDR3 PC3-12800 technology, you're getting top-notch speed and efficiency, perfect for multitasking, demanding applications, and even gaming. The non-ECC design ensures stability and reliability, crucial for any computing task. Plus, the 204-pin SODIMM format means easy installation, requiring no technical expertise. By upgrading to 16GB of RAM, you're unlocking the full potential of your Dell Latitude E6520. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to seamless multitasking, smoother gaming, and faster load times. Whether you're a power user, professional, or casual gamer, this RAM upgrade will undoubtedly enhance your computing experience. Installation is a breeze. Simply pop out your old RAM sticks and slot in the new ones. It's that simple. And with 2 slots available, you can maximize your system's memory without any hassle. Overall, the crucial technology 16GB DDR3-1600 laptop RAM upgrade is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to breathe new life into their Dell Latitude E6520. It's reliable, compatible, and delivers outstanding performance. Upgrade today and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.